Kumusta mga boss? Ito na Flow Kinod. Guys, join na kayo sa Telegram group, no? Sa description below may Spanish Telegram group. Join na kayo ngayon. I will link it to the description below. Pero basically guys, ito Flow Key na exposure na sa China. Okay, ayan nga guys, no? Grabe, main sport TV channel pa. So very big deal, 100 million plus people, no? In China. Ayan guys, no? Sa championship. Grabe guys, table tennis pa. So sino ba sa inyo yung mga mahilig sa table tennis dyan? Comment down below nga. Grabe guys, no? Alam niyo naman yung Flow Key, talagang maraming mga public appearance and also malakas yung stance nila toward cryptocurrency, no? So guys, anticipate nyo yan. Okay, very big potential yung token na to. And guys, meron din mga other events. Kung may extra time ka, samahan mo ako, review natin to. Join ka na sa Telegram group. Let's go!
Andrew Capital really works and he's the best coach.
Maybe you should take it slow.
So yan guys, no? ITTF Worlds 2023. Guys, Flow Key, no? Sobrang astig talaga. So kung titignan nyo ganyan yung event, no? Talagang kaabang-abang. Siyempre mga boss, yung mga pinakamagaling sa table tennis lang yung mga kasama dito, hindi yung basta-basta lang, no? So exciting talaga. Tignan natin, no? Ayan, yan na nga, no? So maganda rin nanonood ng mga ganitong klaseng games, no? Kasi talagang pagalingan, eh. So skill factor talaga yung table tennis, guys, no? Dahil madiskarte ka. Ayan guys, no? So yung mga iba hindi sila magaling, pero yung mga iba naman sobrang galing when it comes to tryouts, pero pagdating ng championships, no, natatalo. So guys, nakita nyo naman, talagang malaki event to. Tapos Flow Key pa. Grabe talaga itong token na to. Kaya meron silang gold blue tick sa Twitter, eh, no? Very big deal talaga yan. So at least alam nyo. And kung titignan nyo, ITTF World Cup talaga yan. Okay, ayan na nga guys, no? So very big potential talaga yung one single champion. Ayan yung sa men's single champion, alis aware kayo. Okay, so very big potential talaga. Nice trailer. So 970 million people yan, 469 million and 128 million unique viewers. So napakalaki talaga. So guys, meron Telegram guys, join now. And of course, mayroon din Linktree. So makita mo dyan, buy on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, pwede. And of course, join the Telegram now. I link it on the description below. Okay, so ayan guys, no? So lahat ng Philippines meron din dyan. So you can join the Philippines community. Okay, you can also join the Spanish community, Nigeria, yan, PD kayo, Romania, okay, Spain. So ayan guys, no? So easy, Espanyol. Main Telegram group you can join as well. Okay guys, very exciting, big potential project talaga to guys, and you can buy on PancakeSwap. So this is Andrew the master, the NFT number one player and NFT game coach in the world. You can buy now on PancakeSwap guys, and you can join the Telegram group right now if you're interested.